Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chat and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. Today we do noun and gender. Okay? Based on gender, there are four types of nouns based on gender. Okay? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Masculine gender, by name itself, it talks about or it denotes male. It represents male. Okay, like man, father, son, uncle. Okay, all those words list we'll see later. Feminine nouns or feminine gender means it denotes female, like women, mother, daughter, aunt, all those words. Then common gender. These common gender means either male or female, cousin, baby, okay, and parent. Then neuter gender. This is neither male nor female. Usually lifeless things, as mainly material nouns and abstract nouns, they come under this category. Neither male nor female. Some lifeless things like pen, board, pencil, all this table, chair. So for that, no male, no female. Okay, only one. Now let us see. Next we do like masculine and feminine. Mainly we do masculine and feminine. How the words are there in different ways we see. Okay. Hmm. Here the masculine and feminine different words we get, like for boy masculine word and feminine girl, father mother, uncle aunt, brother sister, son daughter, bridegroom bride, king queen, lord lady, sir madam, hero heroine, bachelor, spinster, widower, widow, lad, lass, nephew, niece. Okay, so like this, and even some animals also we see. Some animals. Look here, some animals like horse, mare, dog, bitch, cock, hen, gander, goose, buck, dove, then stag, hind, bull, cow. So, names of animals. Then, secondly, so first we get different words. Then, second one, we just add words ending with ESS. Okay? Like in masculine gender, if poet is there, to make it feminine, what are we doing? We are adding ESS. Just at the end, if you add ESS, it becomes a feminine word. Poet, poetess. Host, hostess. Prince, princess. Author, authoress. Heir, heiress. God, goddess. Lion, lioness. So, just by adding ESS, we are getting feminine words. Next. So, third side, in this case, you have to drop vowel and then add ES. Like actor is there. This instead of bow, that letter you have to drop and make it actress. Okay? Tiger, tigress. Mister, mistress. Waiter, waitress. Director, directress. Inspector, inspectress. Conductor, conductress. But last three, they are of now no use. They are not in usage, I mean to say. Means they are using only director and inspector, conductor for both male and female. These are rare in use. They are actually speaking, they are not in use at all nowadays. But the rest of the words, so dropping vowel and then adding ess. Okay. Next set. So now in this fourth set, changing or adding a word before or after. How these masculine and feminine words are formed, we see. Grandfather, father before you are writing grandfather, father's father. Grandfather, grandmother. Peacock, peahen. Manservant, maidservant. Washerman, washerwoman. Milkman, milkmaid. Landlord, landlady. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Salesman, saleswoman. Sportsman, sportswoman. Businessman, businesswoman. Policeman, policewoman. Like that, we add the words before or after to make them feminine gender. So, four types we have said. First one, different words like boy, girl, father, mother, different. We have seen even some animals also. Then second type, we have added ess. Third one, dropping vowel and then adding ess. And fourth one, completely changing or adding one word before or after we have made masculine and feminine gender. Next, we observe some common genders now. Common genders. What are the common genders? Common gender. Common gender, it denotes either male or female. Cousin, person, baby, infant, child, orphan, bird, passenger, all this. Then even most of the occupations and professions also come under this category like teacher, doctor, lawyer, engineer. You don't know. For both masculine and feminine also we use the same words. Okay, same words we use. Minister, judge, singer, dancer, artist, painter, president, secretary, principal. So there is these are all common gender. Okay. Neuter already we have said all the lifeless things like material and abstract nouns, table, chair, and all, pen, pencil, fan, light, everything. We don't get neither this masculine and feminine genders, we don't get for those nouns. Okay, so we have seen the nouns and gender. Now, I just give one task. Okay, are you ready to take the task? Okay, we do that. We have seen masculine, isn't it? Masculine, the word. From that word only, male, isn't it? M is there, A is there, L is there, E is there. So, male. These words, we call them as kangaroo words. What are those words? Kangaroo words. Why do we call them so? Kangaroo words. Why we call them as kangaroo? What is the special feature of the animal kangaroo? It carries in its pouch the baby animal, isn't it? The baby animal it catches or it carries in its pouch. That's why. Then what is the relation for this? Here, this word we call it as a mother word. Masculine is a mother word and this is a baby word. So within the mother word only there is a baby word also. That's why we call these words as kangaroo words. Now what is the task? What are you supposed to do? You prepare the list of kangaroo words. Two more I give examples and based on that you do at least 10 to 15 kangaroo words. Okay, but meaning must be same. So masculine and male, there's no change in meaning. They are both are synonyms. Okay. And even you have to take only these letters from the mother word only. Only you should use only those letters, not additional letters, some other letters. Okay. That is the condition. Then only we can call them as kangaroo words. Like blossom. Blossom is there. What is the kangaroo word for this? Bloom. Isn't it? BLOOM. Both meanings of both words same, like that. One more I give. Appropriate. Appropriate. What is the baby word for this? Apt. 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 Like that. You prepare the list of words 10 to 15. Okay. Kangaroo words you prepare. And in next video, we just share those words. Thank you for watching my video.